This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Schuller. Private mountain retreat with long-range views awaits you. Magnificent open floor plan with shiplap throughout, offering ample space for family gatherings, cozy stone gas fireplace, cathedral ceilings and views from most windows. Beautiful kitchen features quartz surfaces and breakfast bar. The coveted main-level master suite overlooks the majestic mountain views, and private access to the wraparound deck offers those private moments. Fully finished walkout basement perfect for guests, game room or gym. Bonus is the rooftop deck perfect for viewing the sunrise, located on top of the 3-vehicle carport. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Schuller at 828-361-2074.